My name is Clare Grady. I live in Ithaca, New York. I'm here at Hancock Airfield, where the Air National Guard is stationed, and the drone base for the drones that fly over halfway around the world with extrajudicial killing in our name. And I'm here today in particular because Hancock has invited local clergy to help them on this base to minister to the soldiers, the men and women who do the work here to support this military program, the war making that is generated from Hancock. And I'm in a state of deep sorrow and heartbrokenness with the level of bloodshed and violence that is being perpetuated in our name, U.S. citizens, but also being blessed by Christians. And I'm Roman Catholic, and I think there's clear teaching by Jesus and the Church for not killing, to love God, neighbor, and enemy, but that our Church has somehow been silent, not just somehow, for a long time has been too silent in the name of, in light of the killing of the United States military. So I'm here as a Catholic to share my sign. It says, "Beloved clergy, bless not." Beloved clergy, bless not the works of war. The blood of the innocent cries out to us. And I can't imagine any of us that call ourselves Christian supporting the diabolic and bloody work of killing children, killing thousands, tens of thousands of innocent people. And something we all have to come to terms with. But to have the clergy explicitly assist in this project of killing is especially abhorrent. And that cries out to me as something that needs to be addressed. I think it's important to not just talk about the killing without also talking about the racism and the economic exploitation that drives this military machine in our name, and maybe to use the words of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King, the triplets of racism, militarism, and extreme materialism are the giant evils that drive every settler colonial project, of which the United States is maybe the biggest one, and Israel is definitely one. And that is literally, those triplets and those projects are literally destroying the planet and killing her people and her creatures. So I'm curious how hard our hearts have to be to not hear the cries of the innocent, and really curious about this state of being where we're literally putting our hands over our eyes and our ears, plugging our ears and looking away. And I believe it's really only when we listen to not one side or the other, but to the people being killed, that as Christians we're called to bring love to the situation, the love of Jesus, the love of God, and the love of one another. And that's a really different project than the one that's being generated here at Hancock and all our military bases. Thank you.